morning to you all. How are you? I hope everybody is fine. Okay, good. So today I have a thing for you. See here. What is this? Yeah, this is one tomato, isn't it? Okay, fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this tomato. Okay. Yeah, I have cut this tomato into two, isn't it, dear? Yes. So what I did, I took one tomato and I cut it into two. Yes. So it become two parts. Am I right? Yes. One has become two parts. Okay, fine. Good. So this I can write it like this. See here. One tomato, I cut it into two. Okay, fine. Now, again I am going to cut this. Okay. Okay. What happened? It became how many pieces? Very good. It became four pieces, isn't it? But it is what? One tomato. So, one tomato, I cut it into four pieces. It became 1 by 4. Right? Again, what I am going to do is, again I am going to cut. So, what will happen? It is how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? So, I can write 1 that is divided into 6 parts. Is 6 equal parts. Okay, dear? So, if again I cut, it will become 1 by 8. So, what I am doing here, I am making a whole into part. That is called fraction. Okay? Yes? Fine. Before we go to the definition, we will go to the book page number 31. Right? Here it is given as, take page number 31, shade as indicated. 3 parts of 4 parts. So 3 parts of 4 parts. Already it is 4 parts. In that you have to color 3 parts. So this part, and this part. You take your own colors and you can color it. Okay. Right. 1 part of 4 part. So here 4 part is given. And in that what you have to do is, you have to color 1 part. Okay. You can color it nicely. Okay. I know you will color very well. Right? Fine. Represent the shaded portion in the following figure as fraction. Now what you are going to do is, what you will go do, first you have to write the total number of parts. So how many parts are here? Can you see? How many parts are here? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? In that, so first you write the 4 part down. Okay, right? In that, how many part is colored? 1. Okay. So how will you write it? 1 part of 4 parts. Okay. Fine. That you can write it here, 1 by 4. Here, 2 parts are here, isn't it? 2. 1 part is colored. 1 by 2. Is it correct? Yes. So, now, have you seen the national flag? Yes, isn't it? Every Monday they will hoist the flag. And Independence Day they hoist the flag, isn't it? Right. You know Indian flag, isn't it? How many parts are there in Indian flag? 3 parts, isn't it? Yes, 3 equal parts you have. Here, saffron occupies 1 part. First part. Next, you have white and then green. So, saffron occupies 1 part out of 3 equal parts. Okay, that can be said as what? 1 by 3. Okay, are you following? With the page number 32. Okay. Similarly, the green color also occupy 1 by 3 of the flag. Okay. Can I say something different about the white side? There is a change here. Can you observe and say? What is there lagging? Yes. Here you have Ashoka Chakra. Okay. So that cannot be exactly said as equal part. Okay. Fine. So what is fraction is when the whole of or an entire portion is divided equally, we will write the required portion in a form called fraction. How I wrote like this? This is called fraction. Understand here? Yes. Now listen, here Maria loves eating cakes. Can we say hi to Maria? Hi, hi. So she bakes a cake every day, isn't it? Yes. So Maria is happy or sad? She's happy, isn't it? So if you do some new creative things, if you bake a new thing, or if you cook without fire some salads, you'll be very happy to give it to your parents, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah. Likewise, Maria also so happy. So on different days, she cut the cake into different number of pieces. Okay. So first day one, what she is doing is, day one, she is cutting into 2 equal pieces. Okay. And day 2, 3 equal pieces. And day 2, 3 equal pieces. And day 3, 4 equal pieces. Okay. So what is there? In day 1, one cake has been cut into 2 pieces. How I did with tomato? Likewise. Okay. So like tomato, we can cut this cake. So that fraction is what? 2 equal part of the cake. That can be said as what? 1 by 2 of the whole. Okay. Like 3 equal parts of the cake, it can be said as 1 by 3 of the whole, or 1/3 of the whole. Okay. 4 equal parts of the cake means 1 by 4 of the whole, or 1/4 of the whole. So by this, you know how to write the fraction. What do you say about the fraction? That is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 are fraction, isn't it? So how will you represent that? That is, she ate is equal to 3 parts. Total part is equal to 5. So how will you write that? Out of 5 pieces, she ate 3. So that can be written as 3 by 5 of the cake. Is it clear? Fine. Here, this 3 by 5. Okay. Here, this is numerator. Okay. What she ate is numerator. And how many pieces, total number of pieces, is denominator. Is it clear, dear? So, here the numerator, the definition is given as the number above the fraction bar that tells how many parts we are interested in. That is what she ate. Okay. Denominator is the number below the fraction bar that tells how many equal parts of the whole has been divided into. Okay. So, if I draw a cake, I cut it into 4 pieces. It means it is that my denominator will be 4. Okay, dear. And I ate 2 pieces. Means it is 2. Okay. So 2 by 4. Right. One full cake, I cut it into 4 pieces. In that I ate 2 pieces. That how will I represent it in fraction? 2 by 4. Okay, dear. So here 2 is very good. Numerator. 4 is denominator. Very good. I hope you can understand very well. Fine. Now, how can we say this? Like, I'll explain you. If I say 3 by 5, how can I say it in words? How can I represent it in words? I can represent it as 3 fifth, F-I-F-T-H, fifth, S, fifths. Okay. If I write 2 by 11, okay, so that I have write 2 11, okay, okay, like that you will write. Fine. Next you can take your exercise 1.2.1, okay. Write the fraction of the shaded region in the following figures. You take A. Okay. So here, first what you have to write is, first you have to count the number of boxes. That will be the denominator. Understand? Down. The number which is in down is denominator. Okay. D, you think that. Down, denominator. Up, numerator. Okay. So you can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 equal parts. Understand? Fraction is a part of a whole which is divided equally. Understand? So if you want equal parts, it is 10. Okay. Now I'll count how much is colored. Okay. So how much is colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 10. Yes. Likewise, can you complete this? Good. You can complete it. Now you take page number 35. Here, draw the shape and shade the fraction mentioned. Okay. So here, draw a square and shade 1 by 2 of it. Okay. So here, they have given 1 by 2. Okay. So I draw the square. Finished. Okay. Square means what? All the four sides are equal. Very good. After that, they are asking to split it into 2. Isn't it? 1 by 2 means equal half. So, if you imagine I have 4 centimeter means with the 2 centimeter I will cut it. Okay. So, I take 2 centimeter and I will cut this. You can cut it vertically as well as horizontally. So, now what I can do is draw this shape and shade the fraction. I can shade one part of this fraction and write 1 by 2. Yes? Good. Now next say draw a circle and shade 3 by 4 of it. So I need how many parts? 4 equal parts. So what I have to do? I have to draw it. So now it is 1 by 2. Next I can make it 4 parts. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Yes? In that they are asking me to shade 3 parts. So what I have to do? I will shade here, I'll shade here and here. Understand? So I can represent this as 3 by 4. Likewise, you do the rectangle also. Yes? Good. Now what you are going to do is you can represent. Circle the numerator in each of the following fraction. So you are going to circle the fraction. Numerators alone. Okay. What are the numerator I said? The number which is on the top. Isn't it? So what is that number? Very good. 1. Here. Very good. 5. Circle it. You can circle it. Okay. Here. 5. Here. 2. So keep on doing that. Circle the denominators in each of the words. Denominator is what? The number which is in down, right? Isn't it? So that you can circle it. Okay. That is a simple activity. Good. Write the following fraction in words. So 1 by 2 can be said as what? Half. You write it H-A-L-F. It is half. Okay. 3 by 4 can be written as 3/4. 3/4. 3/4. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. 2-2/5 I have written. Okay, I have said, isn't it? 2/5. 1/5. F-I-F-T-H-S. Yes, I think you can finish it along with me. Now you can go to 6th one. Write each fraction in numbers. So whatever I am leaving, you will complete it, isn't it? Now listen, write each fraction in numbers. You have to write 1/3 means 1 by 3, isn't it? A quarter. Quarter means what? 1 by 4. 3/4 means 3 by 4. Understand? Half means 1 by 2. Good. Now you got the point, isn't it? 3/4 means 3 by 4. A quarter means 1 by 4. Is it clear? Now we will go to the next thing. Comparison of fractions. You are going to compare the fraction. First we will understand that concept. Okay. So when the denominators are same, the fraction with the largest numerator is the greatest fraction. Understand? So when the denominators are same, the fraction with the largest numerator is the greatest fraction. That we will understand with an example. Okay. So, the fraction with the same denominators are called like fraction. For example, 3 by 7, okay, 2 by 7, 11 by 7. These are all what? Like fractions. They have same denominators. Fraction with same denominators are called what? Like fraction. Understand? Is it clear to you? So, now we are going to arrange it in fraction in ascending order. So, how we are going to arrange it in ascending order? The denominators are same means what we have to do is compare the numerator. Understand? If the denominators are same, what you have to do is you have to see only the numerator. Numerator, what are the numbers? According to normal ascending order, you have to write with small to big, isn't it? What is the smallest number here? 1, then 3, and then 4. Isn't it? How will this is greater and this is greater. Isn't it? Yes. Likewise, you want to write it in ascending order. So, the ascending order will be like this. How it will be? 1. So, 1 by 5, then 3, then 3 by 5, then 4 by 5. This is the order has to be arranged. Understand? This case is for what? Like fraction. Understand? Here the rule is what? We study the rule. When the denominators are the same, the fraction with the largest numerator is the greatest fraction. Understand? The largest numerator will be the greatest number. Understand? Here which is greater? 4 by 5 is greater. Greatest. Is it clear? Yes. Now, we are going to see unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? The fraction with the different denominators are called unlike fraction. Here see 3 by 11, 3 by 5, 3 by 7. All the denominators are different. Okay. That is called as what? Unlike fraction. I hope you can understand what is the difference between like fraction and unlike fraction. Like fraction, the denominators will be same. But unlike fraction, the denominators will be different. Understand? Yes. So, when you can easily remember with this, like opposite is unlike, isn't it? So, like means denominators are same, unlike means it is different. That's all. Very simple. Okay. So, when the numerators are the same, the fraction with the smallest denominator is the greatest fraction. This is again another rule for you. Okay, there it is different. Here it is opposite of that. Okay. So, what you will do here 3 by 11, 3 by 5, 3 by 7 is here. So, how we will arrange this? That we are going to see here. So, first what you will write? You will write, you are going to arrange it in the descending order. Okay, descending means what? Big to small. So, big will be what? Opposite of the what we saw before. The smallest number will be the biggest number. Understand? Opposite of the previous sum. What is there? 5. 5 will be the biggest one. 5. Next, what is there? 7. Then 11. Understand? So, in this order, you will arrange and write for the descending order. So, the descending order will be, so descending order will be, what will be the order? You can say along with me, 3 by 5, after that 3 by 7 and 3 by 11. Okay. So, I hope you can understand this. With this, we are going to start exercise 2.2. That we will do it in the next session. Okay. If you have any doubts in this, please do call me personally. Thank you, dears.